party that supports the Zionist genocide on our people in Palestine. And we will continue to raise our voices, calling for the fully liberation of Palestine, its people and its land, from the Jordanian River to the Mediterranean Sea, from the river to the sea.
Palestine will be free.
From the river to the sea.
Palestine will be free.
From the sea to the river.
Palestine will live forever.
From the sea to the river.
Palestine will live forever.
Thank you, Manchester.
Thank you, Birmingham. Can I just ask if there are people here that are willing to carry on the protest, this symbolic key? We'd really welcome the help, and if you can come to the front to say that you'll do that, that would be great. Please think about it. We need that symbol going forward with us. Also, after what was said, if you want to take action directly against an Israeli arms company, Elbit in Shenstone, then please sign up on the Greater Manchester coach. Where are you? Oh, they're here. Thank you. I'm looking at a sea of comrades. This is